The biggest stories are often hiding in the most unlikely places. Today, we're going to tear apart a single, really cryptic data file to uncover the blueprint of a massive real estate empire, and it's all hidden inside a spreadsheet. You see this phrase MOU done pretty much everywhere in the file. This is basically ground zero. Think of it as the we've shaken hands on it stage. A landowner and a developer have agreed to explore a project together. It's like the official starting gun has been fired. Okay, but then you see this, LLP done. Now things have gotten serious. This isn't just a casual agreement to talk anymore. A formal legal business has actually been created just for that project. The deal is no longer a plan. It's a legally recognized partnership. And this is where the magic happens. On the left, you've got that raw, confusing line from the file. But once we apply what we just learned, bam! It transforms into the clear summary you see on the right. We know the location, the size, the status, and even what needs to happen next. The code is starting to tell a story. All right, so now we can actually read this thing. So what? Let's zoom out. What does the spreadsheet tell us about the scale of this operation? Just how big are we talking? We're not talking about 1 or 2 developments. This file lists 18 distinct joint venture projects. That is a full portfolio of properties, all being managed at the same time.
And where are they? Well, pretty much all over the map. There's a big focus in and around the tech hub of Bangalore, for sure, but the portfolio also stretches out to other cities. This tells us we're not just looking at a local player. This is a regional operation.
The size of these projects is just as diverse. Look at this range. It includes everything from a pretty small plot in a packed city area to a massive, sprawling 87,000 square foot development. That shows a really flexible strategy. They're tackling projects of all shapes and sizes. So we have the projects, we have the locations, but here's the thing. A spreadsheet doesn't build buildings. People do. And if we look a little closer, we can actually start to see the human element here, the team that's making all this happen. If you dig into the notes, names start to pop out. People like Kulkarni and Rakshita are assigned to legal tasks. There's a mention of a specific architect team working on plans. And you've got project leads like Nawaz and Arpita responsible for daily updates. All of a sudden, this isn't just a list of properties. It's an org chart. It shows a clear workflow with real people responsible for every stage. Okay, we've got the what, the where, and the who. But that brings us to the big one, right? The question everyone's thinking about. What is all of this worth? Let's talk about the money. Buried in the notes for just one project, 1 out of the 18, is this absolute bombshell, a projected price of 4 crore rupees, which is around $500,000 for a single apartment. This one little data point changes everything. It makes the financial stakes incredibly real.